Okay, I'll get going. Can people back there hear me?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, good. My name is Wayne Gralick, and I'm the president of Brew Robotics Club this year. And let's find out who's new here. For whom is this their first time here? Really? Okay. Got it. Great. The most important thing is, where are the restrooms? The restrooms, it used to be, we had to really tell people, you walk past them on the way in here. They used to send us through a side route. Now they give us the more direct route. We get to use this facility courtesy of Google. And Google, you do need the stinking badges, okay? We've had problems with guests in the past and people forgetting badges, like me. And so if you don't have a badge, raise your hand. We gotta get you a badge. Okay, you got a badge. This counts, this counts.
Proper membership.
Yeah, proper membership badges. You talk to our secretary treasurer and he's gonna tell you next year. I'll just save them the trip. Next year you'll get them. Okay. So the rule here is we aren't allowed to wander around this building. We're only allowed to go from this room to the restroom, to the lobby, and out the door. Okay. We do not wander around. Okay. If they ever catch us wandering around, there will be heap bad juju. Yes.
They do allow us in the micro kitchen here, and I have gotten official approval. Snacks, drinks are open to guests.
Right. But
Yes.
Sometimes.
okay, so that's kind of the rules of the game here, and it's actually, just so you know, hard to find meeting spaces for clubs in the valley because it's pretty crowded. So it's really nice to have access to a very nice facility like this, and we just want to follow the rules. Okay. The agenda for tonight is fairly straightforward. I'm going to be handing it over to Kent Peavy, and he's going to be running the show. And it's basically, we just show our robots, okay? And when we're done showing robots, we just wander around and talk to one another because we're all kind of friendly. And that's about it. Next month will be our election for the next year. And while we've never had any contested officer spots, there's always a first. The current slate is Osmond will be taking over as president. Okay, I will be taking over program chair, and Chris Meyer will be taking over secretary treasurer. So it's kind of this weird rotate going on there. And if somebody wants to run against us, that'd actually be pretty cool. But it's never happened.
Isn't there still open position?
No, there's not. Okay. At least not that I know of. Okay. So, so that's all the club-related stuff. Does anybody have any short news items? I mean, did anybody go to the? I always mangle the name. WRRF or whatever it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. How'd you go?
Camp was a judge.
You were a judge.
Yeah, it was not be judgmental. It was good. The kids are always above and beyond. To me, though, the contest wasn't as exciting as it has been in previous years. I could get into some personal opinions on that, but it was good to have the kids at WR. This is FIRST related. If you folks haven't seen the FIRST kids, I say kids, these are real kids. Do their have autonomous and remote control, and this year it was Steamworks, and you would put these gears on these pegs, and they would move them up, and then at the end they would hang. But the really cool thing was the wiffle balls. They would throw these wiffle balls into this tank that would generate air to lift them up, and they got this story wrap that goes around it, but from what I understand, there weren't enough points in doing the wiffle ball thing to be worthwhile. Oh. And so you didn't get to see many of the wiffle balls flying around, so anyway, that's just personal.
Yeah.
The challenge with FIRST is they have these rookie teams who've never done anything, and they have teams that have been doing it 20 plus years, and they have to challenge
Hey, Nathan.
the advanced teams, but they also have to make it possible for the rookie teams to be not so discouraged that they at least can contribute.
Okay.
So they made the high goal so hard that only maybe 10% of teams even attempted to do it. They made it. And if you only got half the high goal, it wasn't worth the effort. So I thought it was, the game committee, everyone criticizes the game committee.
It's hard. It's not easy.
Yeah.
And the thing is, our team increased by 200% in membership, so I think it was a good thing.
Okay. Well, good.
The kids learned a lot.
Right.
The kids learned not to route the power cable for the radio through a working mechanism that eventually chopped it.
Chopped it. Yeah. Okay. Those are the lessons that are hard to learn. You raised your hand, Chris.
Yeah, I just wanted to mention that for some of you that were here last month when E-Tron gave their lecture about 3D and stereoscopic cameras, there's a rep here today, and I think there's a time limit if anybody wanted to obtain one of those cameras. Come talk to Richard here.
Okay, Richard, okay. So talk to Richard for E-Tron. Okay. Any other short announcements? Osmond.
I have a freebie giveaway from Cindy at the break. I have a box of 20, I think these are A1 through 3 size cells, triple mode hydride cells.
Little louder.
I have a box of 20 of these nickel metal hydride. I think these are A123 size cells that I want to give away to somebody who's not using them. So see me at the break if you want to just 20 of them.
I'll suggest give 2 to 4 away to each person who does the challenge today.
I thought we could just give the box away.
Yeah. Yeah, I have a similar problem. One of our members recently passed away, and I got to do the clean out. And my car is just full of robot stuff. But I want to do an initial sort. So if anybody wants to help me do the initial sort, let me know.